like, comment, and finally subscribe my YouTube channel. Get information and knowledge to watch my latest information and knowledge videos firstly. Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can install new Windows 10 for your laptop or PC. So let's get started. First of all, your favorite browser. I am using Google Chrome. Open it. After that, on your tab right there, download Windows 10. After that, simply click on download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. Then simply scroll down, but here you also see update now. If you want to update your Windows, you should click on update now. But if you want to download new fresh Windows, so click on download tool now. Then the download will start downloading the tool. Then again go to your browser and type there Rufus. Then click on the first link, which is named as Rufus the official website, and then scroll down and click on the Rufus 3.9 1.1 MB. Click on it and download it. The download will start after some time, and then open that folder in which you have saved the ISO file tool which we downloaded from Windows 10 official website. Simply click on it and then click on yes. Then wait for it to open. It will take some time to open. Then read the agreement and accept it. Then click on create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. Then simply click on next. And then if you have the down option, use this recommended option for this PC. Then tick mark on it by clicking simply on it. But if you don't have that option, then go to your control panel and see their system information, what is your PC bits. According to that, select it and then simply click on next. After that, select ISO file and then click on next. And then choose the file or folder where you want to save it. I will save it on the desktop, and then it will simply start the downloading. Wait for it. It might take up to 30 minutes or 1 hour depending upon your internet connections. Guys, after Windows 10 ISO installation, this is the file. This has been installed. So now I go to Rufus and then click on yes. And see this pops up. Then connect your USB. I have this USB. Okay, it should be in format form. There should no files in it, because if there are some files, then delete them, because it gonna delete all the files. And then here go select the part where is your ISO file is located. Go to Windows 10 ISO, and you see that here it comes. Then select MBR and then go down, and this should be NTFS, and then click on start. Warning, all the data on device function will be destroyed. Okay. It will take time. To boot the USB, and when it will be completed, simply close it. After that, I connect my USB with my laptop and find your bootable key for your company. For my Lenovo company, it's F12. Simply power on your laptop then, and then click on your bootable key again and again. After that, a bootable page will open up. Press your laptop down arrow key and select your USB, which is bootable now. After that, wait for some time. And then click on next and click on install now. You will see that your Windows will start installing. The setup starting will appear at the bottom of your screen. And then select the partition and click on next and click on OK. And simply the Windows will start installing. Wait it for to be completed. It will reach 100%. It might take up to 30 minutes. So it might take up to 30 minutes to complete. So I'm skipping the video so that it will be finished. So my Windows has been installed completely. Now it will restart. And then select your region. I will select Pakistan. And then simply click on yes. And after it, select your keyboard layout. I will select US and then click on yes, and then click on skip, and then type who is going to use this PC. Simply enter your name and then click on next, and then create a memorable password, and then read in type your password to confirm it, and then enter the hint for your password, and then simply click on next. After that, some privacy settings will appear up. Select you want which, and your Windows will be installed. Goodbye. Like the video. Thanks for watching.